How to make your body more alkaline. Do you frequently feel out of energy specifically after your meals? The fact is that the way we consume our foods, the foods that you take into your mouth, are damaging to your body and health. For instance, do you consume meat and potatoes together? How about milk and cereal, or fish and rice? You have to understand that those mixes are completely harmful to your internal system and will rob you of energy. You may be thinking that this is ridiculous. Different foods are digested differently. Starchy foods require an alkaline digestive medium, and protein food like meat requires an acidic medium for digestion. And when you mix both together, the medium neutralize each other. Digestion is reduced or completely prevented. Then what should you do to overcome this? Here is exactly what you can do about it. The initial step I found out was to consume the best food and not blending the incorrect food together. For instance, if I am consuming starchy foods, I would not consume meat in the very same meal. If I am consuming meat, I would not consume any of the starchy foods. For more info, click the link below this video. And get Emma D'Angela's Alkaline Diet course. Click below now and check it out.